Hello everyone, so today we'll see how to make walnut cake using AMC Navigenio. Let's get started. So for making walnut cake today, we will be using AMC Navigenio, which is the world's smallest baking oven. The Navigenio can be used to bake cake or try out recipes like gratinating and grilling. So today we'll see how easy it is to bake a cake using AMC Navigenio. So to start with, I'm placing a 24 cm roaster pot on the Navigenio. To preheat it, I'll be switching on the Navigenio to level 6. So this is the audio term. I'll be setting the audio term for the roasting window. Meanwhile, we'll see how to prepare the cake batter. While the pot is preheating, we'll see how to make the batter. So I have 150 grams of butter here. To this I'm adding 150 grams of powdered sugar. And we'll be mixing it together. So once the butter and the sugar are mixed together, we'll be adding 3 eggs to it. So I'll be adding 2 to 3 drops of vanilla essence to it. So here I have 2 teaspoons of coffee powder mixed with water. So I'll be adding this to the mixture here. I also have 10 to 12 powdered walnuts here. I'm adding this to the mixture. So once this is nicely mixed, I'll be adding 150 grams of maida to it. And I'll also add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Make sure that you cut and fold the batter. So I'm adding 100 ml of milk to it. So the batter is ready. So in the meantime, the pot has also heated till the roasted window. So I'm switching off the Navigenio and also the audio term. So I'm placing the lid upside down. I'm placing the baking sheet inside, to which I'll be adding the cake batter. So after adding the cake batter, I'll be adding some chopped walnuts on it. To bake the cake, I'll be placing the Navigenio upside down manner. So here you can see that I'll be baking the cake on level 1 for 3 minutes. So this is the baking window. I'll be setting a time for 3 minutes for the cake to bake. Now you can see a Wi-Fi symbol here which indicates that the Navigenio is connected to the audio term, and you can also see the blue color light which indicates that the connection is established between the two. You can see that the baking time of 3 minutes is completed. Now we'll continue to cook the cake in the residual heat for 10 minutes. I'll be switching off the Navigenio and I'll continue to cook the cake for 10 minutes in the residual heat. So in the audio term, I'll be setting an alarm for 10 minutes. So the 10 minutes are completed. I'll be switching off the audio tone. Now you can see that the cake is ready. Hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching.